Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're on our walk at Sharpenhoe Clappers in the Chiltern Hills in Bedfordshire, and this is the landscape. It's just after some rain, so it's a bit misty, but it's a bit spooky in a way. So yeah, right in front of me is Harlington, and we go up to this bit. There's Millie and the guest appearance from Porthos, the Cocker Spaniel.
Running away.
He's running away, he wants to go for his walk. So yeah, you can look at the softwood trees again. Look at it, it's absolutely stunning. It's not far from Luton. You can hear from the plane that's taking off. Well, in the air obviously. It's the other side, that's the Chiltern Hills. So we go down in here. So the Chiltern Hills covers 4 different counties. We've got Bedfordshire, Buckinghamshire, Hertfordshire and Oxfordshire. So it spans quite a distance. This is the Bedfordshire bit. Oh, there's a big puddle for me to wash in. And look at this bit. This is the best bit. All the trees have gone towards the sunlight and made a sort of tunnel. And look at the roots on that. Must have quite big roots underneath, of course. How is that staying upright? Looks like something off of Harry Potter or something. Yes, it's beautiful here. Like a tunnel of trees. And then just up here we have, I think it's an... Say hello, Porthos. Oh, I lost my poo bags. If you go on for a walk with a dog, take your poo bags with you. Come on, Porthos, this way. Good boy. So yeah, you've got a memorial of some description. I think this is a, because this is a National Trust site, so I think it's to do with the National Trust. Yeah, Sharpenhoe Clappers were bequeathed to the National Trust by W.A. Robinson in memory of his brother Norman Cairns Robertson, Captain, 2nd Battle Hampshire Regiment, who died on the 20th of June 1917 at Hanover, Germany, and of Lawrence Grant Robert, 2nd Lieutenant, 2nd Battalion, King's Own Scottish Border, who was killed in action in France during Battle of the Somme in near Deville Woods, 30th of July 1916. So this is World War I memory. Both died in World War I. Look at that. Very pretty. Look at the roots of the trees. Very shallow. Beautiful here. Great place to bring a dog for a walk. It's got a small car park. Don't have to pay to get in. So you like it, don't you, Porthos? Yeah? So yeah, Sharpenhoe Clappers in Bedfordshire. So really nice place to walk. So yeah, hope everyone enjoys this, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.